Did you know that Miami has over 400 skyscrapers in our skyline? And have you ever wondered which one was the first? Well, learn more on today's episode of Miami Mondays. The very first Dade County Courthouse, which was used in the late 1800s, used to be just above West Palm Beach because Dade County used to stretch all the way from Port St. Lucie till the Middle Keys. In 1904, the county courthouse was moved to the banks of the Miami River on 12th Street, which we know as Flagler Street. It was a humble two-story courthouse with the top story being the actual courthouse and the first floor being the jail cell. It was a beautiful limestone structure that they projected would be in use for over 50 years. What they didn't predict, though, Florida had a huge land boom in 1925, and so not even 20 years after this first courthouse was built, they needed to build a whole other one to be able to process all of the real estate transactions that were occurring in the 1920s. And the courthouse ended up being the very last skyscraper that was built before the bubble burst. When the courthouse was completed in 1928, it was used as both the courthouse and the top 9 floors were used as the jail. They said this jail was inescapable, but during its tenure, over 70 prisoners were able to escape. Now let's get into the juicy stuff. In 2021, a study was done that found significant structural damage in the county courthouse. This was after the Surfside collapse, and they also found mold as well. So what was the county's solution? Build a new courthouse. So my question is, if you had the money to build a new courthouse, why not restore the old one instead of trying to sell it? Make sure to check out my other episodes. I'm Kara the tour guide, and I'll see you next Miami Monday.